Hi friends, this video is a review on the new Supergoop Daily Dose Hydrating Ceramide Boost. This is a facial oil with SPF from Supergoop. So in this video, I'm going to do a review for you guys on this product, talk a little bit about it, what it is, what the highlighted ingredients are, how it looks and feels on my skin, what my experience has been, and I'll do a little demo. So if you want to see all that, keep watching. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see what videos I come up with next. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's talk a little bit about what this is. So this is a facial oil with 40 SPF, and this is supposed to help lock in moisture and hydration into your skin and help strengthen your skin barrier. This also has 3 highlighted ingredients, which are squalane, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, and they say that this is best for dry skin. The size of the bottle is 30 milliliters, and this retails for 59 Canadian dollars at Sephora. Let's talk about the 3 highlighted ingredients. We'll start with ceramides. So these are fats basically. They help our skin hold on to moisture, they strengthen our skin barrier, keep our skin nice and plump, and they also help protect our skin against environmental stressors. Next ingredient is squalane. This boosts hydration in our skin and helps our skin hold on to moisture. And lastly, we have the hyaluronic acid, which is there to provide a nice level of hydration. So all these 3 ingredients provide hydration, moisture, and then seal it all in to make sure that all that goodness stays in our skin. When it comes to packaging, it comes in a plastic bottle and it comes with a dropper. The dropper works phenomenally, honestly. Unlike the Aveeno Triple Oat Serum, which, my God, that dropper is the death of me. This dropper works really well. But one thing I'm going to say that I think I say in all of my videos when I'm talking about a product that comes with a dropper, do not drag this dropper across your face. You're going to contaminate the product in here, because even though you're like, but my face is clean, I just washed it. Yes, but there's still bacteria and germs on our skin that then you'll pick up with the dropper, put in here, and over time bacteria will start forming. So do not drag the dropper across your face. Either put the drops in your hands and then pat it on your face, or drop them directly onto your face and then blend them in. When it comes to the recommended amount, it says to apply 6 to 8 drops to your skin and then follow that up with a water-based moisturizer. I don't like to wear my moisturizer on top of this. I usually like to wear my water-based products first and then put an oil product on top to kind of seal all of that moisture and hydration from my water-based products into my skin. So I would not add this as a last step. I would not add this before my moisturizer. And also when it comes to this being your standalone sunscreen, they say that the 6 to 8 drops is not enough. So if you do want to wear this as the only SPF in your routine, you would need to add a generous amount. What that is unclear. They don't define what that amount is, but we're gonna get into right now what 6 to 8 drops looks like when I put it on my face, and also what the dermatologist recommended amount of sunscreen is, and then what that looks like on my skin when I apply that amount. So let's get into the juicy stuff. Now, if we're going with the 6 to 8 drops for just general use that they recommend, I will show you what that looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this would be 6. I don't think you guys can see it. And then 2 more for 8. So this is 8 drops. I will put this on my face. So this is supposed to be for just every day, this amount. Now they do say that 6 to 8 drops does not offer you the protection, the optimal protection from the sun, so you need to apply more. If we go based on what dermatologists recommend, that would be about a half a teaspoon of sunblock. So we're going to take out the baking essentials. So I got my half a teaspoon here. I'm going to take the oil. Okay. So, oh my God, we're gonna need a lot. And again, I'm just assuming that for this oil, this would be the optimal amount, because it's just based on what dermatologists recommend when it comes to sunscreen, and this would be considered sunscreen, but to get the optimal protection, I think this is how much I would need. So I filled it up. Oh, okay, that is a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna carefully put this in my hand. Oh my God. Okay. Product has been placed in palm. It's like a little swimming pool in my hand. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna try to move you down. It's like a little swimming pool. Okay, we are back in position. So I'm going to take this look at my hands. Oh, and I'm going to apply this. Oh God, this is a lot. All over my face and neck. Yeah, I don't think, if this is the optimal amount, I don't think this is doable. I already don't like it. It feels very thick and greasy and oily, and I can tell this will not absorb. My hands are still extremely oily. The one thing I have to say I really liked about this product is that my eyes don't burn when I wear it throughout the day. Some other sunscreens have caused my eyes to get really irritated and burn, but this one has not. So here I am, guys, a glazed donut, as some people would put it. Shiny and greasy, like I feel it, like when I touch my face, I can feel it on my skin. I'll wait a few minutes just to see if it absorbs, and then I'll come back on and we'll see what that looks like before I go wash it off, because I don't think this is wearable, like this amount. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes since I applied the teaspoon of the Daily Dose oil to my face. And look at the shine and the dew. It's still very oily, like it hasn't absorbed. It's not absorbing into the skin. I can feel like a layer of oil. Like look at that shine on my fingers from just wiping my face. So I'm going to go wash this off because there's no makeup that's gonna stay on this. I'm gonna go wash this off, do my skincare, add the 6 to 8 drops, and then I'll do my makeup just to see and show you guys how my makeup sits and looks when I do the 6 to 8 drops application. So makeup is done. You know, I have to say, when I use this oil, I noticed my skin has this gorgeous glow from within. I love it. Like I would definitely use this as like a part of my skincare routine in the morning. So for example, I do my entire skincare, so vitamin C, a hydrating serum, my moisturizer. I would put a little bit of this on and then I'll go in with my sunblock. I would not use this as a standalone sunblock because, as you saw, when I put on the amount that is required, which is the little half a teaspoon, my skin looked like it was drenched in oil, because it was. So I wouldn't use this as a standalone sunblock. And I don't think the 6 to 8 drops is sufficient to give me the right protection, or the right amount of protection, or optimal protection from the sun. So I would definitely need to use an additional sunscreen with this. Just wanted to do a check-in to show you guys how my skin is doing and how my makeup is wearing on top of this Daily Boost Supergoop facial oil. So it's been about 6 or 7 hours since I did my makeup and put on the facial oil, and this is what my skin looks like. I'm getting ready to work out, don't mind the sports bra, but this is what my skin looks like so far. Honestly, my makeup has not moved at all. It has increased. My skin looks so dewy and so plump and so juicy and delicious and healthy looking. I love it, in my opinion at least. So I really love how it's making my skin look and how it makes my makeup last. The only thing is it really a necessary thing? Absolutely not. It's a luxury item, in my opinion, you know, just to have something to add to your skin to kind of give that extra moisture, hydration, plumpness, you know, that juicy deliciousness. But other than that, I don't think it's necessary, but my skin is loving it. So for the winter time, I love it as an additional step. As a standalone sunscreen, that's a no for me. But if you're dry skin, you might want to give this a try because this looks pretty nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have tried this new product from Supergoop. I'd love to hear what your thoughts were and your experience. And let me know if there's any other products that you'd like me to review or videos you'd like me to make. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.